Hey everyone! Welcome back to my channel, where I review the top products on Amazon so that you can make an informed purchase decision. Today, I'm excited to share with you my top 5 picks for the best backup cameras on Amazon. It's not too late to fit a backup camera to your vehicle. The best part is that you can get an even better camera than if you got the factory standard system. I've spent countless hours researching and testing products, and I'm confident that these 5 products are the cream of the crop. Whether you're looking for the best product or just one that delivers excellent value for your money, I've got you covered. In this video, I'll give you an in-depth look at each of these top 5 products, discussing their strengths and weaknesses, and helping you decide which is right for you. Whether you're a seasoned enthusiast or you're new to the game, you're sure to find something that piques your interest. So without further ado, let's jump right in and take a look at the top 5 list. Number 1. Chordow Dash Cam Front and Rear. The Chordow Dash Cam Front and Rear is ideal for someone who needs both a front-facing dash camera and a backup camera. The front camera records in 1080p, so you can rest assured that you'll capture everything clearly, including license plates and road signs. The front camera uses a 170-degree lens, and the rear camera uses a 130-degree lens, so you won't have many blind spots. As soon as you engage your vehicle's reverse gear, the backup camera will send an image to the system's monitor. What we like about it: monitors both front and back. Super compact monitor can rotate 360 degrees. Highly affordable. What we don't like about it: motion detector is not very sensitive. Automatic recording does not work when the South Dakota card is full. Number 2. Lecoulue LK3 HD 1080p Backup Camera. This 1080p backup camera comes very close to taking the best overall award, and it's not hard to see why. Unfortunately, the one thing that holds this model back is that it's a wired camera system. So, both the monitor and camera need to be connected by a 4-pin connector before you can use the system. If you can get past this relatively minor inconvenience, then there's no reason not to choose this model. You'll be able to see vivid images via the 4.3-inch HD LCD monitor. The monitor is equipped with a magnetic bracket, so you can rotate it 360 degrees to find the best viewing angle. The upgraded 6-glass lens also contributes to the crystal clear image you see on the monitor. What we like about it: HD 1080p produces a clear image every time. Image processor has night vision mode, enabling you to see up to 30 feet in complete darkness. Incredible value for the money. What we don't like about it: not a wireless system, so it involves some extra work to set up. May require longer wires for use on trucks with 8-foot-long beds. Number 3. Dohenest V25 Wireless Backup Camera. The Dohenest V25 Wireless Backup Camera has all the high-quality features you could ask for in a backup camera. This model uses a wireless design for easier installation. There's a transmitter built into the wireless camera that you place at the rear of your vehicle, which sends images to the 5-inch HD LCD screen included in the sale. The 6-glass lens on the camera and updated chip ensure clear imaging. The lenses are 150-degree wide angle, giving you one of the widest fields of view on the market. Night vision capabilities are of top quality as well. What we like about it: crystal clear imaging. Wireless system is easy to set up and extremely stable. Backed by a 2-year warranty. What we don't like about it: not suitable for large vehicles or trailers. Occasional reliability issues while underway. Number 4. Arapta Backup Camera. The Arapta ERT01 backup camera is the perfect option if you want a high-quality, well-performing backup camera that won't break the bank. The camera has a 149-degree viewing angle and comes with 8 LED lights for basic night vision. It fits on the top edge of most license plates, fastening down with the same screws that hold the plate frame. While it lacks the advanced features of more expensive options, it gets the job done with a clear image and basic backup lines in the video output. What we like about it: super affordable. Wide viewing angle. Inconspicuous, streamlined camera. What we don't like about it: poor customer service reputation. Installation can be a major pain. Number 5. Lecoulue LK5 Wireless Backup Camera. This wireless backup camera is perfect for people who drive RVs or carry large trailers. This wireless camera system features a signal that can reach up to 450 feet in an open area and 270 feet in vehicles. Although the system is made for large vehicles, it's still easy to install. All you need to do to set up this system is connect the camera to the taillights and connect the monitor to a power source in the cabin. What we like about it: excellent choice for RV users. Large 7-inch display for optimal viewing. Can accommodate up to 4 wireless backup cameras. What we don't like about it. Questionable customer service. Not the most reliably functioning camera on the market. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification. To get more information or if you want to know product price, please check my description box. For any kind of problem, please comment below so I can help you further. Life is short, so enjoy your life with our cool products.